Guys, this is the most insane feature I have ever seen in Google Sheets, ever using it for 15 years. That's the Google Canvas. I have been dreaming of it for a very long time, and we using different tools to do so. And today now I'm very much excited to show you how does it, why it is exciting, and how does it works. For a very simple, take your data set. It should be best if it is organized in table. Just type create a dashboard from my data. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Just stay and watch or go anywhere until it completes and boom. See, your dashboard is beautifully created. You can see your dashboard with all your metrics required. Even you could have asked for the metrics. I have not asked for any metrics for the simplicity, and already understand the data sets and create the metrics and where you can play with your data. See the visuals, see the top performing, see the recent activity, and that is grouped by total metrics, revenue, net profit, gross margin. That's overview. You can go to regional analysis, and similarly for regional part, similarly for data explorer, you can view the data entirely there, and at the top of that you can add the data also. Isn't it insane? I have been waiting this for a very long. Thank you, Google.